makeup tutorial. Yes, cuties, makeup tutorial. Lots of you have been asking me how you created this look with makeup, hair and everything. I mean, this reel got this 7.2 million views on Instagram, 1.8 million views on YouTube, and it's almost hitting a million views on TikTok as well as. And you can see here, this is me without makeup, nothing on my face right now.
I'm just wearing lenses from Aqua, spicy grey color.
Okay, so without wasting time, let's do it. Okay, so let's start from the hair first.
And I'm just putting this kind of roller to just roll my hair. And just sitting with the bobby pin. एंड वन थिंग गाइज, इतना सारा इस रील को बहुत सारा प्यार देने के लिए आप सभी का तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द लव एंड सपोर्ट. सो प्लीज़ कीप लविंग, कीप सपोर्टिंग एंड येस, कीप वॉचिंग.
And now I'm going to use this kind of figure to hair like this.
And here I am putting rubber band. Okay, now let's move on to the makeup. And first of all, for the moisturizer, I'm using the Nature Essence Hellow Beauty Gel. And this is super duper effective for your skin. It's keep your skin healthy and glowy. And just tapping to my face, and never ever just forget your neck. And next I'm using this Pro Concealer, which is S3 High Definition. And I'm applying just a little bit of wherever I have a spot. Little bit on my nose area and little bit on my forehead. And after that I'm blending with the beauty blender. And for the next step, I'm using this Pilgrim Dream Matte Serum Foundation. With this again Pro Concealer. And what I'm going to do, just I'm going to mix it because I want that brown beauty tone. Okay, so mix it properly and let's apply. And for the contour, I'm using this Naked 3 0.1 shade. Actually, this is not a contour cream, this is the lipstick. And here I'm applying just like 3 shape. Little bit on my forehead and just cheekbone, and after that on my nose area to just give a sharpened look. And on the top of that I'm applying Pro Concealer again. Again I'm using this Pro Concealer, which is in white shade. Applying on my eyes area and again little bit on my forehead, and after that on my chin. And next I'm applying Romantic May Liquid Blush, जो कि इस टाइप से दिखता है, देखो. Again just a little bit on my cheekbone, nose and just chin. And after that going to blend it with the beauty blender. Okay, so let's move on to the powder. So for the powder I'm using this Lotus Natural Powder, and this is not a loose powder, it's a compact powder. एंड गाइस, पाउडर भी ना पुट करने का तरीका होता है. सबसे पहले आप आइज एरिया में पुट करो, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा पाउडर लेके कंटूर करने की कोशिश करो, एंड उसके बाद जो थोड़ा सा फेस पे आप इस टाइप से टैप इट करके अप्लाई करो. And now for the eyebrow, I'm using the black shade to make my eyebrow highly defined. And again, I'm using this Hellow Pro highlighter. And now applying kajal. And after applying the kajal, just smudging out. And here again, I'm taking this black eyeshadow. Let's go. And after applying the black shade, I'm using this brown shade and just applying it here and just smudging out. Let's go. एंड यहाँ पे मैं सेम ब्राउन आई शेडो से नोज को यहाँ पे शेप दे रही हूँ इस तरीके से, लाइक दिस. एंड आफ्टर दैट लिटिल बिट ऑफ जस्ट ब्लेंड इट. And again I'm applying this kajal and brown shade. I mean doing the same thing on my lower eyes line. And now I'm applying eyeliner, which is from Sanata. And after applying the eyeliner, I'm taking this white highlighter and just putting the corner of the eye. A little bit on my eyebrow area to just highlight. Okay, done it. And now I'm using this streetwear style glisterin, which is here. Now I'm going to curl the eyelashes. So while you're using this eyelashes curler, just be careful. It's time for the mascara. So for the mascara, I'm using Wonder Extension Lash Extension Effect Mascara. This is super duper volumized mascara, guys. Finally, let's move on to the lips combo. So most of the time, I'm using Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner, but this time I'm going to use this one brown shade, जो कि literally खत्म ही होने वाला है, guys. And ये भी Swiss Beauty का ही है. Now I'm going to just blend this lip liner with the help of finger. Now actually what I'm going to do is this highlighter I'm going to put here and here. Just a little bit of. Actually this is the lipstick hack which I mostly follow. The lower part and just upper part. Again tap it with my finger and just begin. Okay, so for the lip gloss, I'm using this Haxia Beauty lip gloss. Next, okay, now final part is your highlighter. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to take this one shade. Let's go. I mean, this is the center part of your face. This nose, here and here and here. So this part should be highlighted. Then highlighter I'm putting here neck. Okay, for the earrings I'm going to use this one, the same earring जो कि आप सबने वीडियो में देखा था और आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया था and actually मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. इसको प्रॉपर हेयर को जो सेट करने में कम से कम आपको 30 से 45 मिनट तक लगते हैं सेट होने में. ओके, अब मैं मिलती हूँ आप सभी से हेयर ओपन करने के बाद फाइनल रिजल्ट के साथ.
आप सभी का बहुत 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 रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो को मैंने रिक्रिएट किया आप सभी के लिए। सो प्लीज़ आई होप कि आप सभी को पसंद आया होगा। सर इफ़ यू डिड टू लाइक कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्लीज़ गाइस सिर्फ देख के मत जाया करो, प्लीज़ लाइक भी करो। वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीट होता है बट लाइक करना शायद आप लोग भूल सकते हो। ओके सो प्लीज़ डू इट यार, लाइक से मुझे मोटिवेट मिलता है, मतलब कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो मैं खुद से क्रिएट करूँ, फिर से क्रिएट करूँ आप सभी के लिए। सो प्लीज़ डू इट and yes, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe. Love you, that's a lot. Yes guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well.